Hello Rapid Sell buyers. Do we ever have a beautiful work truck for you folks? That 2015 Ford Transit diesel, power stroke diesel with only 130,000 kilometers on it. This truck here is fresh off safety with new tires, pads, rotors. This is straight truck for somebody. As you all know what a new one costs. And here's one that is just the real McCoy for everybody in the field. So I'm just taking around. Imagine the doors are locked. Let me just check. Yeah, we'll catch it on the other side. But anyways, here you are, ladies and gentlemen. This one here, you can put your logos, decal it out, and you get a traveling billboard advertising your company with a nice corporate truck, straight lines on it. This truck isn't even washed, it's just the way it is. 130,000 Ks. It's got the trailer hitch package on it too. Power stroke with the B20. Let me just go in and unlock it here, the Transit 350. Get the high body to it too. With brand new radial tires on it. Brand spanking new. While I'm here, we might as well let you see. Just safetied right there. Last year it was done. As you can see on the dash there, 133,107 kilometers. Here, I'll just start that up for you. No problem at all. It does have 5 working glow plugs. One has an open circuit in it which needs to be fixed, but that's not part of a safety. But that's all it requires is just replace the glow plug. $200 or $300 job depending on, or you could do it yourself if you're capable. Let me hit the unlocks here, go around, check it. Power windows, locks. Seats are good on it. Just hear it running. Let me pop the hood for you. Somewhere, wherever it is, there it is. But it's certainly a truck for somebody. There we go. Burn along nicely. Always regularly maintained. No rust. Rust-proof oil. Let's go take a look inside the back of the truck. No dents on it. Look at there, LED lights throughout. Think of how you could deck this one out. Clean, not all bashed up. Awesome. Work truck extraordinaire for somebody. High body. You see the oils at work creeping along the bottom there. No need to hide a pretty truck. Take a look in the cabin. Nice and warm in here. Whoa, it feels good. As you can see, no lights on the dash over here. Just got the engine check light on. Engine light's on because of the glow plug. But replace the glow plug and you've got 6 working glow plugs. But I had no trouble starting it this morning with the glow plugs on 5 cylinders. Air conditioning. Got your 12-volt port, USB port, automatic, tow, hookup, etc. Got the cruise, volume control on the dash, on the steering I should say. Everything works there. Bluetooth. Plus you even got the backup cam on board. There she be. So ladies and gentlemen, there's your 2015 Ford Transit with the Duramax diesel in it. No, not quite. Power Stroke diesel, even better. So there you are, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy your Power Stroke diesel Ford Transit 2015.